Arbie looked absolutely done after this winter. So if your RV looks like this, stick with us because we're going to break down how we clean and bring this RV back to life.
2 days, 2 dogs, 1 rig, let's go. Running on coffee and kibble.
After sitting all winter, this is what it took to bring our trailer back to life. These are the products we used to clean her up and get her road ready again. We'll put a full list down below.
We're going to show you how to get rid of these black streaks that come down the side of the RV after the rain and get rid of those nasty water spots on the front. Get those tires cleaned up, get those rims cleaned up, and bring everything back to life. So we're going to start with spraying the plastic with the 303 protectant so it can soak up a little bit. But then we're going to really start cleaning on the roof, and we're going to wash from the top down. So we're going to put a little bit of conditioner on the roof, get it washed down. So we're just going to work this section by section. We're going to spray the conditioner on, and then we'll go up and wash it off. All right, just going to wash it down. We got our first section done, and we're just going to work our way around the roof. Just wanted to wash the side off, get some of that roof conditioner off the side of the RV. And we'll get to washing the rest.
Turn radio loud, we're breaking out of this small town crowd. Friday fades in rearview glass, finally breathing free at last. Back rows twist like a country song, sing it wrong but we sing it strong. Clouds drifting slow and high, whole world painted in blue sky. Let the wheels spin, let the good times begin.
All right, just gonna get some of this black streak remover on there. All right, while that's sitting for a couple minutes, I'm going to mix up our foam cannon here. A little bit of soap. And then I bring this bucket out with water in it just to make it a little bit easier to fill it with the water. All right. We fill it nice like that, it gets less foamy. And ever so slightly, I just invert a couple times. So you really don't want to shake this around too much. And then your foam cannon's ready to go. All right, I'm going to start with getting our bucket filled with water, a little bit of soap, and getting our foam cannon ready. Fill this up. And some nice soapy water. Good to go.
Whoa, oh, 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 whoa. Roll with the sun, keys turn, radio loud. We're breaking out of this small town crowd. Friday fades in rearview glass, finally breathing free at last. Back rows twist like a country song, sing it wrong but we sing it strong. Clouds drifting slow and high, whole world painted in blue sky. Let the wheels spin, let the good times begin. No worries, riding shotgun. We roll with the sun, we run with the daylight, laughing through the red lights, living like we just begun. No map, no rush, just dust in the headlights, chasing that skyline, rolling till the day is done. We roll with the sun. Oh, oh, oh. Roll with the sun, campfire sparks in twilight air, stories floating everywhere. Stars wake up one by one, night feels young and so are we. Shadows dancing on the trees, crickets keeping melody. Morning comes but that's okay, we'll do it all again someday. Let the wheels spin, let the good times begin. No worries, riding shotgun. We roll with the sun, we run with the daylight, laughing through the red lights, living like we just begun. No map, no rush, just dust in the headlights, chasing that skyline, rolling till the day's done. Whoa, let it go, let the whole world, feel it grow. This is what we're here for. Oh, 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 oh. We roll with the sun, we run with the daylight. Hands out the window, everything feels right. Oh, 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 oh. We run with the daylight.
All right, next I'm just gonna get the side wet here.
Before we roll. Sun's barely up, coffee in a cup, boots on the gravel, time to gear up. Walk around slow, don't rush the plan. Safety first, that's how we stand. Hand on the fender, check that tread. Kick each tire like Grandpa said. Gauge in my pocket, PSI right. Ready to tow, but not yet, not quite. Looks tight down, torque wrench click. No loose ends on a rig this big. 7-pin lock, lights all glow. We don't move till we know. Before we roll, before we ride, before those white lines start to slide. We check it once, we check it twice. Freedom's earned, not rolled on dice. Hitches tight, chains cross low. Brake controller set to go. 2 days, 2 dogs, 1 highway go. But safety's how we rock and roll. Bolts.
I'm gonna start waxing the side. We use this hot sauce. It's actually a water spot remover as well as a little high gloss coat. So they say work it while the thing's still wet, and then buff it off.
Confidence before we claim. Battery charge, doors latch down, awning lock jacks off the ground. Propane closed, steps tucked in. Now the weekend can begin. Before we roll, before we ride, before those white lines start to slide. We check it once, we check it twice. Freedom's earned, not rolled on dice. Hitches tight, chains cross low. Brake controller set to go. 2 days, 2 dogs, 1 highway go. But safety's how we rock and roll. It ain't about hurry, it ain't about speed. It's about getting there with everything we need. Family, freedom, and peace of mind. Preparation buys you time. Before we roll, before we ride, before that sunrise fills the sky, we tighten bolts and trust our feel. Steel on steel, rubber on wheel. Nuggies ready, Arbie set. Best weekends ain't left a chance. We don't tow without control. Prep it right, then rock and roll. Then rock and roll. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All right, we're gonna flip this camper around to the other side and get this cleanup finished.
Windows down, let the wind run wild. Laughing like we're still 16-year-old kids. Dust in the mirror, miles ahead. Every horizon painted red. We don't need a reason, we don't need a plan. Just a tank half full and each other's hand. This is our moment, rolling like thunder, chasing the light as it pulls us under. Wide awake with the sky wide open, hearts unbroken. No looking back now, nothing can hold us. Every mile just pulls us closer. Living loud with the sky wide open, sky wide open. Sky wide open. Draw a power silver line, cutting through the great divide. Mountains rise, rivers bend, every road feels feels like a friend. Tires sing on the blacktop song. We've been waiting for this all week long. Two dogs curled in the backseat dream. Life feels bigger than it seems. We don't count the hours, we don't watch the clock, just chasing daylight till the daylight stops. This is our moment, rolling like thunder, chasing the light as it pulls us under. Wide awake with the sky wide open, hearts unbroken. No looking back now, nothing can hold us. Every mile just pulls us closer, living loud with the sky.
And just like that, Arbie's back, clean, shining, and ready to roll. There's just something about that first wash of the season. It's not just about the dirt coming off, it's about everything that's ahead. Campfires, late nights, early mornings, and the miles in between. From sitting all winter to road ready again. Now it's time to hook up, load up the crew, and get back to what we do best. 2 days, 2 dogs, run rig. Let the season begin.
It's noogie and fun, Arbie in line, rolling together 1 mile at a time. 2 days, 2 dogs, 1 rig, let's go. Running on coffee and kibble, steady toe, yeah.